She go. But you be damn to let me go. You be damn to let me go. No, y'all. Have a blessed one. Have a blessed one. Sometimes you just gotta be still. Breathe from the belly. Just let it all, just take it all in sometimes. It could be worse. It could be better. But in this moment, this is what it's meant to be. Me and held me all the way through. And that's where I was wrong at. And that's why I was going through the things I was going through. I was experiencing the things I was experiencing, the pain that I was feeling. That's why all of these things were happening to me. And I know that now because I had to return back to my faith. And I feel so much better. Like, that's why y'all say I'm back. I'm not back. I'm better. But I just wanted to give y'all that little moment right there with Sha'Carri, because my name is a part of me. My name is part of my power. Sha'Carri. But yeah, you guys, peace and blessings and light. And yeah, let's tune into for this race. Let's race. Right now, Mrs. Shelly-Ann.
You really look up to Shelly-Ann.
Mm-hmm.
But you're a little taller than her.
Oh.
You gonna call her shorty?
No, sir, not at all. I have way too much respect for her to take something like that. Her name is Miss Shelly-Ann to me right now. Mrs. Shelly-Ann.
Right? You really look up to.
I hear him talking about me. I can't never do nothing. These see, you can't hear him, but I hear him. Sha'Carri. If y'all don't leave me the fuck alone, I am protesting. Shit.
And guys, that was Sha'Carri Richardson talking about how she have so much respect for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, and she also went on talking about the fact that she was on a training club, and what people were doing was they were only talking about her. And I think she also talked about the fact that sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So as you can see, it consists of various videos that were talking about so many moments that had to do with Sha'Carri Richardson. And it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful seeing how Sha'Carri has grown emotionally, physically, and in all areas. Let me hear your opinion.